Hello students, this is Ram Saru. I welcome you all to live classes children. Children, today we are going to continue the polynomial chapter, that is extension. Children, today's class we are going to discuss about the last class. Children, we have discussed about what? The relation between the zeros and the coefficients of the polynomial. And this class we are going to learn about what, children? The division of algorithm of polynomial. So what is the division of algorithm, children, and how we are going to apply in the polynomials. So that is a first condition, like first point we are going to discuss that, and some questions we are going to discuss, like how we can do the division of the polynomials with degree is 4 and degree is 2 and degree is 3. Okay, so these are the things we are going to discuss today's class. So let us start, children, today's class without wasting any time. Now children, division of algorithm what for the polynomials. Okay, now children, what I am taking, suppose I am taking the one polynomial is what, a p of x. Okay, and this polynomial is what I am dividing with another polynomial, something a g of x. Are you getting my point, children? I am taking one polynomial expression, that is p of x, and this polynomial I am dividing with another polynomial is what, a g of x. So when I divide g of x, if I got something what, a q of x is the what, a quotient. If I am getting the what, a quotient is something a q of x, and the remainder is what, children, r of x, or you can take r also. That depends upon the what, the degree of what, a divisor. The degree of the divisor is 1, so we get the r is a remainder. If the degree of the divisor is 2, we get the what, r of x is a remainder. Okay, that is a depends upon the degree of the divisor. Now children, how can we write? By using the division algorithm for the polynomials. And same thing. So what we can write, children? Dividend equal to. So dividend we can write as, tell me children, how we can write? Divisor into quotient, plus we can write as what, children? A remainder. So this is what, a division algorithm. So division algorithm we can write as dividend is equal to, we can write as divisor into quotient and plus remainder. So this is called what, children? A division algorithm for the polynomials. Okay, so dividend we can write as what, children? Divisor into quotient and plus remainder. Children, here what is the dividend I have taken? So p of x I have taken the dividend. So we can write as p of x is equal to divisor. So can you tell me, children, by which polynomial I am dividing with the p of x? I am dividing with what? A g of x polynomial. So you can write this is what? A g of x. So when I am dividing g of x, so what is my quotient, children? Q of x is my quotient. So we can write as q of x. Okay, so after dividing with q of x, like getting the quotient is q of x. So what is my remainder? So my remainder can be r of x, or we can take r also. So I am writing r of x is my remainder. So this is what, children? It is a division algorithm for polynomials. So dividend we can write as what, children? Divisor into quotient and remainder. So this we can say a division algorithm for a polynomials. Clear, children? Any doubts regarding this division algorithm? It's a very simple, children. Divisor. So dividend we can write as divisor into quotient and plus remainder. So this is called what? A division algorithm. Okay, this statement, otherwise this expression, otherwise this condition will give the what? A division algorithm for polynomials. Clear, children? Any doubts regarding this condition or regarding this statement? It's a very simple, children. We can write as p of x is equal to what? G of x into q of x. So g of x is what? A divisor, and q of x is quotient, and r of x is what? A remainder. So p of x is equal to, we can write as g of x into q of x plus r of x. Clear, children? So this we can say what? A division algorithm for a polynomials. Okay, now children, let us see this in the polynomials. See, so what I told you, dividend we can say divisor into quotient and plus remainder. So this is what? This is what, children? This is a division algorithm. Suppose I am taking the two polynomials p of x and dividing with what? A g of x. Then, so how we can write, children? P of x is equal to, we can write as g of x into q of x. So g of x is what here? Here divisor. And q of x is what, children? It is quotient. Then r of x is the what? Here remainder of the polynomial after dividing will get. Then children, remember here, the remainder r of x is equal to 0. Okay, if remainder r of x is equal to 0 means what we can say? Actually, it's not the r of x is equal to 0. Okay, we can say. So, if r remainder is always, if r of x is equal to 0 means what? It is easily divisible, isn't it? And one more point, children, the degree of r of x is always the degree of what? Less than the degree of what? G of x. I told you already. The remainder degree, otherwise the degree of the remainder is always the what? The degree of the less than the what? Degree of the divisor. And this result, what we call, children, we can say it is a division algorithm for the polynomials. Okay, so remember this one more point also. Now children, let us see some questions like how we are going to do this division algorithm and how we can do like divisions like two polynomials. Okay, like fourth degree polynomial by a second degree polynomial, or for third degree polynomial by a second degree polynomial, otherwise a linear polynomial. So how the division is going to happen. Okay, so let us see, children, one by one all the questions. Now first question, children, we want to divide the what? 2x square plus 3x plus 1 by x plus 2. Children, the given polynomial is what? Is a second degree polynomial, isn't it? And this second degree polynomial we are dividing with what, children? A linear polynomial. Okay, you do one thing, children. First you take, this is a p of x. So p of x is what? A 2x square plus 3x plus 1. Next one, g of x we can take as x plus 2. Clear, children? Now I am dividing a polynomial p of x by what? A g of x. Children, first write down this polynomial. This is a 2x square, it is 3x and plus 1. So divide with what, children? It is x plus 2. Children, look at here. Here I have the term is x, but I want to get the 2x square term. Tell me, children, how we are get 2x square term? It's a very simple, children. In case if you don't know, do like this: 2x square divided by do the x division. So you supposed to multiply with what? A 2x term. Are you getting my point, children? This is actually x term, but we need to get what? A 2x square term. So how will get generally, children, 2x square term? With multiply with a 2x term. So multiply with what? A 2x. So 2x into x, we can say a 2x square, and 2 into 2x, we can say this is a 4x. Then children, do the subtraction. So whenever you do subtraction, what happens, children? The symbols will change, isn't it? So plus become minus and minus become plus. So we can write this is a minus symbol and this is a minus symbol. Plus 2x square minus 2x square get cancelled. 3 minus 4x. What is the 3 minus 4, children? A minus x. And this is plus 1. Okay. Now children, it is what? X plus 2 and it is what? A minus x plus 1. I want to get the minus x, children. So with what? I mean, by which number we need to multiply so that x become minus x? Very simple, children, just do like this. So this is what? Minus x, this is what? X. So divide minus x by x, this is what? A minus 1. So we supposed to multiply with a minus 1. So when we multiply with a minus 1, so the x become what? It's going to be a minus x. So write down here minus x. So minus 1 into x, this is a minus x, and plus into minus, it is minus 2. Now do subtraction, children. This is what? Plus, and this is what? A plus. Here plus x minus x cancel. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Clear, children? So I can say this 2x minus 1 is what? It is a quotient value. And this 3 is called what, children? Here remainder. And this x plus 2 is a what, children? It is divisor. Children, this division you already learned in the previous class. Like when you were in 9th class, you already learned this, how we can do the division of the polynomials. Okay. The same thing, children, we can do here also. So we can say the 3 is a remainder and the x plus 2 is a linear polynomial. Isn't it? The linear polynomial degree is 1. The linear polynomial degree is 1 means the remainder degree is what? Less than the degree 1. So less than the degree 1 means what? It is a 0. 0 means, can I say it is a constant polynomial? So 3 is called what? A constant polynomial. Isn't it, children? So we can say it is a division of the polynomials. Like it is a quadratic polynomial and it is a what? A linear polynomial. Look at, children. Any doubts regarding this division and how we are going to applying the division and quadratic polynomial and for linear polynomial? Okay, fine. Now children, let us say another question the same manner. Now children, now what we are doing, we are dividing with what? A cubic polynomial by a quadratic polynomial. Are you getting my point, children? We are dividing what? A cubic polynomial by a quadratic polynomial. Children, first given polynomial you can take as p of x. So it is what? A 3x power 3. And this is the x square term. And this is 2x. And this is plus 5. Now you can take this is a g of x. Children, look at the g of x. It is not in order. Actually, which order we need to follow, children? The exponent must be what? A descending order, isn't it? The exponent value of the what? A variable should be a descending order. Then only that is called what? A standard form. Here exponents are what? Not in descending order, children. So I am what? Rearranging now. So first exponent will be x square because the 2 is the exponent here. The next term will be 2x and next term will be 1. Okay, children? I am just rearranging the what? The terms because I want the exponent should be what? A decreasing order, or we can say a descending order. Now children, do the division again same manner. So 3x power 3 x square, this is plus 2x and this is plus 5. Now divide with what, children? X square plus 2x and plus 1. Children, look at here, this is a 3x power 3 term and this is a x square term. Now can you tell me, children, which term we need to multiply so that we will get the 3x power 3 term? This is x square, but I want to get 3x power 3 term. Can you guess, children, which term we need to multiply? So we need to multiply what? A 3x term. So I am multiplying what? A 3x term. So 3x term means what? This is 3x into x square. So we can write 3x power 3. Next one, this is plus 3x into 2x. We can say what? A 6x square. 3x into 1. So we can say it is 3x. Clear, children? Again, we are doing what? A subtraction. Subtraction means what happens, children? The symbols will change. Symbols will change mean this is a minus symbol, this is minus symbol, again this is a minus symbol, isn't it? All plus become minus or minus become plus. 3x power 3, 3x power 3 cancel. X square minus 6x square. So we can write as minus 5x square. 2x minus 3x. We can say only single x. Then drop this 5 also constant. Okay, children? Now, children, I want to get minus 5x square term, but I have here only x square term. So can you tell me, children, which number we need to multiply? We need to multiply what? A minus 5. Yes or no? I am multiplying with what? A minus 5. If I multiply with minus 5, I am going to get this minus 5x square term. So minus 5 into x square, we can say a minus 5x square. Minus into plus, this is a minus 5 into 10. So this is what? A 10x. And 5 ones are 5. So this is what? A minus 5. And symbol change, this is plus, and this is plus. And this is what? A minus 5x square get cancelled. Minus x plus 10x, we can say what? 9x. 5 plus 5 is equal to what? It is 10. Okay. Now children, look at here. This is actually what? A divisor, and it is a what? A remainder. Children, the degree of the remainder and it is what? A degree of the what? A divisor. Can I say both are equal? They are not equal. But what I can say? I can say the degree of remainder is what? Less than the what? The degree of the what? A divisor. Yes or no? Because it is a linear polynomial. It is a quadratic polynomial. So we got the degree of the remainder is what? We got the degree of the what? A divisor. So can I do again division here? We cannot do because here degree is what? We got less than the degree of what? A divisor. So division is not possible. So we have to stop up to here only, children. Are you getting my point, children? We have to stop here only because we got the degree of r of x is what? Less than the degree of what? G of x. So less than we got means what we can say directly? The division is not possible. We have to leave it up to here only. Are you getting my point, children? We cannot move further division because we got the degree is what? Less than the degree of G of x. Okay, children. So we got the remainder. So what is the remainder? R of x is equal to, this is what? A 9x plus 10. And what is the quotient, children? We can say q of x is equal to, we got what? A 3x minus 5. So we got this is a 3x minus 5. Clear, children? Any doubts regarding this sum? It's same like previous only, but we went for what? A cubic polynomial. In the previous question, we have divided what? A quadratic polynomial. Now I am dividing cubic polynomial by a quadratic polynomial. Clear, children? Once look at the answer. See the steps one by one. See if you have any doubts. Okay. Now, children, another question. So divide 3x square minus x power 3 minus 3x plus 5 by which number, children? X minus 1 plus, minus x square, and verify the what? A division algorithm. Children, what is the given polynomial? P of x. Children, look at the polynomial. It is not in standard form, isn't it? First, we have to write in what? A standard form. So what is the standard form here? We have to write the what? All the exponents are in descending order. So how we can write? Tell me, children. First term will be minus x power 3. Second term will be plus 3x square. Next term will be what, children? A minus 3x. And this is plus 5. Okay. And how we can write, children? G of x. And G of x also, it is not in standard form. Okay. Now I am writing again what? Same standard form. So first will be minus x square. And this is what? Plus x. And this is minus 1. Okay, children. Now we are doing the division now. Look at here, everyone. So this is minus x power 3 plus 3x square. This is what? A minus 3x, and this is a plus 5. So this is what? Divided by minus x square plus x and minus 1. Okay, children. Now, children, look at here. This is minus x power 3 term. This is what? Only minus x square term. So I want to get minus x power 3 term, children. So how we can get, children? Can you tell me? By which number we need to multiply, other by which polynomial expressions we need to multiply? It is minus x power 3. It is simply minus x square. So we need to multiply with what? Only x. If I multiply with only x, so then I will going to get what? This expression minus x power 3. Now multiply, children. X into minus x square, we can say minus x power 3. X into plus x, x square. X into minus 1, we can say minus x. Children, subtraction means this is plus, this is minus, and this is plus. X power 3 cancel. 3x square minus x square, we can say 2x square. Minus 3x plus x, we can say minus 2x. And this is what? A plus 5. Clear, children? Now, I want to get here 2x square term, but this term is what? Minus x square term. So, can you tell me, children, which number we need to multiply? In case, children, if you don't know, you do it like this. 2x square divided by minus x square. X square cancel. So, you're supposed to multiply with a minus 2. Okay. So, when you multiply with minus 2, children, I am going to get this 2x square term. So, multiply with what? A minus 2. Minus 2 into minus x square, we can say a plus 2x square. Minus into minus, we can say, minus into, this is actually what? Minus into minus is a plus. Minus 2 into plus, it is minus 2 into x, it is a 2x. And minus 2 into minus 1, we can say plus 2. Now, children, do subtraction. This is what? Minus, this is plus, and this is minus. 2x square cancel. This is plus 2x, and it is minus 2x cancel. And 5 minus 2, what is the remainder, children? 3 is the remainder. Okay. So, we can say 3 is the remainder, that is R. Clear, children? So children, I am writing here what is the remainder. First we will write the quotient. So quotient is what? A q of x. Q of x is what? A x minus 2. Then we got the remainder r of x. So that is 3 is a remainder. Clear children? We got the word a quotient and we got the word a remainder. Now children, we need to check the word a division algorithm. Okay. Now children, let us see how we are going to check this division algorithm. Okay. Now tell me children, what is the division algorithm? So we can write as dividend p of x is equal to, how we can write children? We can write as g of x into, and we can write as q of x plus remainder is what? That is r of x. So this is a division algorithm, isn't it children? So this we are going to apply now, and we have to check whether LHS is equal to RHS or not. Okay. Children, here what is the LHS? LHS is what? P of x. And what is the RHS children? RHS is what? G of x into q of x plus r of x. So I will take this RHS children. This you can take, this is LHS value. This is you can take RHS value. So G of x into q of x. This is plus r of x. Okay. Now children, write down the G of x value. Minus x square plus x minus 1. And what is the q of x value children? X minus 2. So write down this is x minus 2. So remainder is equal to what? 3 is the remainder. Okay. Now children, multiply x with complete term, then minus 2 with complete term. So x into minus x, x power 3, x into plus x. So this is what? X square. Okay. So x into x square minus x power 3, x into x, this is what? X square. X into minus 1, it is minus x. Then multiply with minus children. So minus 2 into x square, it is minus 2x square. Minus 2 into x, so we can say minus 2x. Minus 2 into minus 1, we can say plus 2. And this is what? A plus 3. Clear children? Now what I am doing? So it is minus x power 3. So write down separately because I have single term. X square minus 2x square, we can say minus x square. And look at the x term, minus x minus 2x, so we can say minus 3x. Plus 2 plus 3, we can say what children? A plus 5. Okay. Children, just look at here, something did we mistake. It is what? Minus x square. Okay, children, it is plus. Minus 2 into minus x square, it is plus 2x square. So 2x square plus x square is equal to a plus 3x square. Okay. So that is the final solution. Children, just compare this one and this one. X power 3, okay, we will write slowly children, I will write properly. Minus x power 3 plus 3x square minus 3x plus y. So minus x power 3 plus 3x square minus 3x plus y. Children, we got the LHS is equal to what? RHS. So this is what children? Checking by a division algorithm. Okay. So we are going to check what? This one. LHS is equal to RHS or not. So that is we are going to check by what? By a division algorithm of polynomials. Clear children regarding this question? So first what you have done children? First we have done with what children? Okay, first we did what? A division of the polynomial. So from that I am finding the what? The quotient value and I am finding the what? The remainder value. So after that I am substituting in the what? A division algorithm. So this is a what? A division algorithm. So p of x is equal to, we can write as what? G of x into q of x plus r of x. So p of x is what? A dividend value and g of x a divisor value and q of x is what, children? Is a quotient, and r of x is a what? Is a remainder. Then children, substitute everything here, then try to check it whether LHS or we are getting RHS or not. Clear, children? See, we got this actually LHS and that is RHS value. Now children, let us see another question. Find the zeros of all the polynomials. If you know the two zeros are what, children? One is root 2 and one more is what? A minus root 2. Okay, children? Actually, they're asking find all the zeros. So total how many zeros this polynomial has? Total 4 zeros. Why? Because here exponent value is 4. So it will satisfy 4 zeros. Out of 4 zeros, they already given the 2 zero, children. So what are the 2 zeros? One is root 2, one more is minus root 2. If you know the 2 zero, children, so how we can make, otherwise how we can form the quadratic polynomial? Tell me, children. One 0 is root 2, another 0 is minus root 2. So I want to build the what? A quadratic polynomial. So how we can bring, children? How we can form the quadratic polynomial? Okay. It's a very simple, children. We can write as what? X plus root 2 into, we can write as x minus root 2. If alpha comma beta are both the 0, children. So how we can write the quadratic polynomial means x minus alpha into x minus beta. So this is actually what? A positive means x minus root 2. It is negative means x plus root 2. Like minus of minus, it become plus. Now children, multiply this. This is what actually a plus b into a minus b form. So a square minus b square. X square minus root 2 whole square. So what we are going to get, children? X square minus 2 is the answer. Clear? So our quadratic polynomial is for x square minus 2 is our quadratic polynomial. Now children, do one thing. Now take this quadratic polynomial and divide with what? A biquadratic polynomial. Now children, I am writing here 2x power 4 minus 3x power 3 minus 3x square plus 6x and minus 2. Now children, what is the quadratic polynomial? X square minus 2. Children, we need to get the what? A 2x power 4 term. And we have x square term. So can you tell me, children, which term we need to multiply? So we supposed to multiply a 2x square term. So when I multiply 2x square term, so 2x square into x square means what? This is 2x to the power of 4. 2x square into minus 2 is what? A minus. Tell me, children. 2 to the 4. This is 4. X square into 2. Directly we can say 2 to the 4. It is 4x square. Clear, children? Just look at this question, solution, and see the steps. This is x square minus 2. I am multiplying with what? A 2x square term. 2x square into x square is what? A 2x power 4. Minus 2 into 2x square is what? A minus 4x to the power of 2. Then children, do subtraction. This is what? Minus, this is plus. 2x power 4, 2x power 4 cancel. 4x square minus 3x square. These two are unlike terms. So we can go for, okay, you do one thing, children, drop this term. Because I don't have any x cube term, so I am dropping that term. Now it is what? 4x square minus 3x square, we can say only x square. And this is what? A plus 6x. And this is what? A minus 2. Clear, children? Now children, I want to get x power 3 term. Like minus 3 x power 3 term. Tell me, children, how we are going to get? This is what? X square term. So you multiply with what? A minus 3x. If I multiply with minus 3x, I am going to get minus 3x power 3 term, children. Now I multiply with minus 3x. So minus 3 into x square. So we can get minus 3x power 3. Plus into minus, it is what? A minus. Minus 3x and minus 2. So minus into minus, this is plus, children. Minus 3x minus 2, we can say 6x. Now subtraction, children, this is what? Plus, and this is what? A minus. Now plus 3x power 3 minus 3x power 3 cancel. Plus 6x minus 6x cancel. This is what? X square minus 2. Children, this is also x square minus 2 and this also x power minus 2. So simply you multiply with a plus 1. Now I am multiplying what? Only a plus 1. Now children, multiply with plus 1. So 1 into x power minus 2 is what? x square minus 2 only. So this is minus, this is plus. So remainder is equal to what? Is 0. Okay. Children, forget about the remainder. Just take only the quotient value. So what is your quotient value? Q of x is equal to, quotient value we can write as 2x square minus 3x and plus 1. So this is what a quotient value. Children, this quotient value we have to do again factorizing. So when you do again factorizing, I am going to get the 2 more zeros. Okay. Now children, let us do factorizing of this. So this is what? A 2x square. This 3x I am writing as 2x minus x plus 1. Children, take the 2x common. This is what? X minus 1, and take the minus 1 common, again x minus 1. So what we can write, children? 2x minus 1 into, this is x minus 1. So to find the 0, 2x minus equal to 0, again x minus 1 equal to 0. Then here x is equal to 1 by 2 value, here x is equal to 1 is the value. Clear, children? So we got the 4 0, children. First one is what? A root 2. Second row minus root 2. And third 0 is what? A 1 by 2. And fourth 0 is what? 1. So root 2 comma minus root 2 and 1 by 2 and 1. So these are the what? The 4 zeros of the given biquadratic polynomial. Children, once look at the solution and see if you have any doubts. Question is very simple, children. They have given the what? A biquadratic polynomial whose degree is equal to 4. That means it satisfies total how many zeros? 4 zeros. Out of 4 zeros, they clearly mention the 2 zeros. One 0 is root 2, another 0 is what? A minus root 2. Okay. The 2 zeros are what? Root 2 and minus root 2. And what they are asking, children? They are asking to find remaining 2 zeros. So remaining 2 zeros means how we are going to find? So first I am writing the what? A quadratic polynomial. So I got the quadratic polynomial is what? X square minus 2. So take this quadratic polynomial and divide the complete biquadratic polynomial. So after dividing, we will get something, children. What we got actually? We got again one more a quadratic polynomial. So that quadratic polynomial you do again factorizing. So after factorizing, you are going to get 2 more 0, children. That is 1 by 2 and 1 is the answer. Okay. See, children, any doubts regarding this question? Question is very simple, children. Okay. Now, children, look at this question. On dividing this polynomial with what? Another polynomial is what? Something a g of x. Then the quotient and remainder are x minus 2 and minus 2x plus 4. Then they are asking what? What is the g of x? Are you getting my point, children? Okay, first I will write down that the given polynomial is p of x. So what is the p of x polynomial, children? From the question, this is x power 3 minus 3x square plus x and plus 2. Then, children, what is the g of x value? G of x value they did not give, children. We need to find what is the g of x. And what they have given, children? Quotient value and remainder value. Quotient means what? It is a q of x. We can write as q of x is, it is x minus 2. And we can write as remainder, that is r of x is equal to a minus 2x plus 4. Clear, children? It is a p of x, this is g of x and q of x and r of x. So out of these 4 values, children, we know p of x value and q of x value and r of x value, and they are asking to find what is the g of x value. That is divisor. Okay. Tell me, children, how we can solve this sum? Do we have any formula? Okay, very simple, children. Just apply the word, the division algorithm, isn't it? So what is the division algorithm again? So p of x is equal to, we can write as g of x into q of x plus remainder is what? R of x. Okay, children. Then how we can write p of x is equal to x power 3 minus 3x square plus x and plus 2 equal to, and what is the g of x, children? We don't know, let it be g of x only. And what is the q of x? X minus 2. And what is the r of x? Minus 2x plus 4. So this is what? A minus 2x plus 4. Okay children, you do one thing, transpose this minus 2x explore this side. So g of x into x minus 2. So what I am writing? X power 3 minus 3x square plus x minus 2. So minus 2x become it is plus 2x, plus 4 become it is minus 4. So this is what? X power 3 minus 3x square, 3x, sorry, x plus 2x is what? A 3x, and 2 minus 4, it is what? A minus 2. But children, I want to find g of x. So g of x I can write as, tell me children, x power 3 minus 3x square plus 3x and minus 2 whole divided by what? This is x minus 2. Okay children. Now I want to find the what? Like after finding the x power 3 minus 3x square minus 3 plus 3x minus 2 by x minus 2, we will get the what? A quotient. So that quotient value we can say what children? Here g of x. Okay, now let me see children, what is the quotient value? Okay, now children, I am dividing this x minus 2 of x power 3, 3x square plus 3x, and this is a minus 2. Okay. Okay. Now children, this is what? X power 3 and this is what? X. Tell me children, what we need to multiply? We need to multiply with x square. So x square into x, this is what? X power 3 and it is what? A minus 2x square. Now symbols will change, this is a minus and this is a plus. X power 3 cancel. 2x square minus 3x square. So minus x square children. And this is what? A plus 3x and this is a minus 2. Now children, I want to get what? Here minus x square term. So multiply with what? A minus x. Now if I multiply minus x, what I can get children? So minus x into x. So this is what? A minus x square. Minus x into minus 2, it is what? A minus 2x. So this is plus and this is plus. So this is okay. So minus into minus, this is plus. So we'll get the minus. Clear children? Now children, do subtraction. This is x square cancel. 3x minus 2x is x and this is minus 2. Children, it is minus 2 and this also what? X minus 2. Tell me which number we need to multiply? Simply we need to multiply what? Only with plus 1. If I multiply with plus 1, so I am going to get x minus 2. Here x minus 2 cancel. Okay children. So we can say this is a g of x value. So the g of x is what? X square minus x plus 1. Clear children? So g of x is equal to what? X square minus x plus 1. Clear children? Regarding this, any question? Any doubts regarding this question? Question is very simple children. First they have given the what? A p of x value, and they have given r of x value and q of x value, and they are asking to find what is the g of x value. So simply children, what I am doing, I am just applying the what? A division algorithm. A division algorithm of polynomials. So I am applying the division algorithm of polynomial, then I am writing what is the g of x value. So g of x is what I got children? X power 3 minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 by x minus 2. But children, I want to find the what? A g of x value. So it is what? A division. Cubic polynomial by a linear polynomial. So after division, I got something. G of x is equal to what? X square minus x plus 1. We have to take only quotient value children. Are getting my point? We have to take only a quotient value, not the remainder value. So quotient value is what here? X square minus x plus 1. So I can say that is what? A g of x value. See children, any doubts regarding this sum? This type of questions are very important children. Okay, so try to practice more. Fine. Now children, look at this question. Again, obtain all other zeros of this polynomial. What is the polynomial children? 3x power 4 plus 6x power 3 minus 2x square and minus 10x and minus 5. And they have given the two zeros children, root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3. Children, if you know the two zeros, how we can form the quadratic polynomial? It's very simple. This is what? X plus root 5 by 3, and one more is what, children? X minus root 5 by 3. So a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, x square minus, this is a 5 by 3. Now children, do one thing, take this polynomial and divide this complete polynomial, children. So 3x power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x and minus 5. So divide with what, children? X square minus 5 by 3. Now children, multiply with, it is 3x power 4 term, it is x square term. So just multiply what is 3x square. So when I multiply 3x square, I am going to get here 3x to the power of 4. Here numerator 3, denominator 3, both gets cancelled, children. So this is plus into minus minus, and what I am going to get, children? This is 5x square. Okay. Now children, do the subtraction. This is minus, this is plus. X power 4 cancel. So write down 6x power 3. So minus 2x square, 5x square, we can get a 3x square. And this is what? A minus 10x, and this is what? A plus 5. Now children, I want to get 6x power 3 term. So multiply with what? Simply plus, this is x square, so 6x. Plus 6x into x square is 6x power 3. Plus into minus, it is minus. So denominator is 3, numerator is 2. So 6. So 3 1s are 3 2s are. So it is 2x into minus 5. So it is minus 10x. So minus, this is plus. 6x power 3, 6 power 3 cancel. Plus 10x minus 10x cancel. So 3x square and minus 5. Children, I want to get here what? A 3x square. But this is only what? X square term. So multiply with what? A plus 3. Okay, children. If I multiply with plus 3, what happens? 3 into x square, a 3x square. Here numerator 3 and denominator 3 gets cancelled. So what I am going to get? A minus 5. So this is what, children? I got the 0. Now children, take this quotient. What is the quotient I got here? 3x square plus 6x, and this is what? A plus 3. Now children, take the 3 as a common. If you take 3x common, it is what? X square plus 2x and plus 1. Children, it is look like what? A plus b whole square expansion form. Like a square plus 2ab plus b square, isn't it? So we can write as a plus b whole square. So what I am writing? This I am writing as 3 into x plus 1 whole square. Okay, children? But I want to find the zeros of the polynomial. So what we have to do? So 3 into x plus 1 whole square, write down equal to 0. Then what we can write, children? X plus 1 whole square equal to 0. Then x will satisfy two values, children. Then what is the x is equal to? Minus 1 and minus 1. Then remaining zeros are what, children? One is plus 5 by 3. Okay. So one is what, children? 5 by 3, and one more is what? A minus root 5 by 3. So these are the remaining two zeros they have given already in the question. See, children, any doubts regarding this sum? Same like previous question, children, but the values are different here. They already mentioned the two zeros. What are the two zeros? One is under root of 5 by 3, one more is minus under root of 5 by 3. Then I am forming the what? A quadratic polynomial. Okay, so what is the quadratic polynomial I got? X square minus 5 by 3. So take this quadratic polynomial, children, and divide this the given polynomial. So I got the remainder is equal to what? 0, but quotient what I got, children? 3x square plus 6x plus 3 is a what? Is a quotient. So 3x square plus 6x plus 3 is a, I got something quotient. So take the 3 as a common, children. So what I got? 3 into x plus 1. To find the 0, we have to equate the 0. So I am equating to the what? 0, children. So what I got? 3 into x plus 1 whole square is equal to 0. And this is what? X plus 1 whole square equal to 0. Then x is equal to what, children? Here minus 1 and minus 1. Both are got, we got equal, like minus 1 and minus 1. Therefore, what are all the 4 0, children? One is minus 1 comma minus 1 under root of 5 by 3 and minus under root of 5 by 3. Is it clear, children, this question, or any doubts? And children, this is a very, very important question, children. You try to practice more this type of questions. Okay? And this question is what? Based upon a division of polynomials. Only thing you have to do a division. So form the what? A quadratic polynomial by taking the zeros and find the another polynomial. So that polynomial you do the factorizing. Clear, children? Any doubts regarding this sum? Okay, fine, children. I'll give one more question as a homework. Children, try this sum. So what is the question? The expression should be, so we need to subtract some expression from the given expression, so that the what? The polynomial is what? Exactly divides this given polynomial. So what expression should be subtracted from the given expression? So that we need to find out, children. Can you try this sum, children? Try this sum, children. It's a very simple question. We need to subtract some expression from the given expression. You do one thing, children. Just do the like common division only. You'll get the remainder. So that remainder should be subtracted from the given polynomial expression. Okay. So find the remainder. So that is the final answer. Clear, children?